I, 32, male, and my wife, Kate, 30, have been married for 4 years and together for 9. Our partnership has been very loving and supportive. We communicate effectively, rarely argue, and our bedroom relationship has become stronger over time. We had previously discussed infidelity, and I made it obvious that if it happened, we would end our relationship. Kate traveled home to meet her family last weekend, which was very ordinary. We had a little disagreement over keeping the home clean before she left on Friday night, so contact was limited on Saturday. But I knew she was going out to meet some friends at a bar. I absolutely trusted her and did not think twice about it. Before falling asleep, I texted her to wish her a nice night. When I awoke on Sunday morning, I discovered a missed call from Kate at 4 a.m., so immediately phoned her to check if she was okay, but there was no answer. After a few hours, I tried again but got no response. Around an hour later, I received a message suggesting that she was okay and would be returning shortly. Kate got home late afternoon and seemed horrible. She had clearly been crying, was not wearing makeup unusual for her, and appeared to be a shell of a person. I felt something was wrong right away, but she refused to hug me and barely talked. I sat her down on the couch and prepared some tea. I gradually convinced her to tell me what was wrong, and she cried hysterically for at least 10 minutes, and I attempted to calm her. She then proceeded to tell me, stopping between phrases, that she had slept with someone the night after the bar. Something inside of me cracked at that point. I cannot describe it any other way. I immediately stood up, got into my car, and drove away. I went to a park and walked about for about an hour. Kate was repeatedly calling my phone, so I turned it off. When I got home, I took two bags from the garage and went to our bedroom. I packed some of Kate's clothes and shoes into them and placed them near the front entrance. Kate lay on the living room floor, curled up in the ball and crying. I connected her best friend who lives nearby and informed her that Kate needed a place to stay and write to her house, and that she could explain everything later. I informed Kate that I was going for an hour and that her pal would be there to pick her up. She grabbed my legs and attempted to stop me from leaving. When I got home, Kate and the luggage were gone. On Monday, with a clearer mind, I answered one of the Kate's frequent calls and told her that I needed her to send me an email with as many details as she could about that night, and that if she left anything out, there would be no hope of reconciliation. I received this email on Monday night, but have yet to open it. Everyone has attempted to contact me since then, but I have just been working, exercising, and sleeping. One of her friends arrived at my house with an attitude demanding an explanation. I told her to speak with Kate and lock the door in her face. I have also spoken with divorce solicitors, moved money between accounts, and blocked Kate and her friends from everything. Everything I have done since finding out seems to be an autopilot. I am not enraged, annoyed, or too emotional. Just numb. Kate sent a message through the door yesterday asking us to meet tomorrow, but I am uneasy. Should I meet her? Will anything change? Is there any point in striving to reconcile? Is it normal to feel like a robot? And what can I do to get out of it? I merely want to emphasize that when I went home for the first time, Kate confirmed that everything was voluntary. She was intoxicated and she knew just what she was doing. Thank you for viewing this video. What are your opinion on this story? Please offer me a nasty voice. I desperately need them. If you would like to share your story, please do so in a comment section and we will broadcast it on our channel. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.